Hi, it's meteorologist Joe Fury in the Storm Team 8 Weather Center. All right, there's an example of, oh, we need the rain, we need the rain. And now we're getting way too much rain in a short period of time. And it's already happened during the course of this Labor Day. You guys in northern New London County, southeastern Windham County, some places have picked upwards of a half a foot or more of rain. And we've had tremendous flooding moving out of portions of eastern Connecticut and through the Providence area that shut down 95 earlier. So this is a long duration event. We've got a stalled frontal boundary. We've got a tremendous amount of moisture, and therefore we're talking about the potential for dangerous, deadly flooding. That's our concern, especially in those areas that have already picked up 3, 4, 5, 6 inches of rain. There's a whole lot more to come. And so the threat for the localized flash flooding. We had the flash flood warning that was out in northern New London County during the course of this afternoon, early evening. There's going to be more posted as we move along. The, again, very interesting thing is that some of you on Labor Day got through the entire day without really any rain. That was the case 95 corridor in far northern Connecticut, but pockets in between. Higganum over 3 inches. Naugatuck Valley, a couple of spots over 3. Litchfield close to 3. So that's what we're talking about now as we work our way along. So you've got to pay attention to the forecast. You got to tune in to Gil, Alyssa, and the gang early on Tuesday morning for the very latest update as to what's going on in your town, because you could have road closures and could impact going to school in the morning. Again, especially in eastern areas that have already had tremendous amounts of rain. And what I mean by that is when you look at, through the early evening on Monday, places like New Haven and Sikorsky and even New London have had no measurable rain. Bradley hasn't had a whole lot either, but look at these spots up in Lisbon and working your way on through into southeastern Windham County, Plainfield. Some places have had up and over 6 inches of rain, and all these yellow areas. This is the Higganum area over 3. This is heading on just near Woodbridge over 2 and around Litchfield over 3. But again, you go a couple of miles to the west and there's nothing. So that's why this is a tricky situation. Flood watch is in effect for the entire state through 5 p.m. on Tuesday. Temperature got to 86 in New Haven. Yeah, temperatures were in the 80s, especially in Fairfield County. We had a tornado warning for Reading, Connecticut during the course of Monday afternoon. It was up in the clouds, the rotation, so nothing came to the ground, which is good. But that sun did pop out, and that added fuel to the fire for the heavy rain. So we've got periods of heavy rain through the overnight and through the day tomorrow. Again, where some of these bands of heavy rain set up, you pick up 2, 3, 4 inches of rain in a very short period of time. Local street, highway, basement flooding, urban flooding, streams and rivers up as well. So we do get into the cooler air mass during the day tomorrow, but some of the warmer air stays at the coast. And so southern areas where you didn't pick up much rain today, you could pick up a whole lot more overnight tonight and through the day tomorrow. And, well, as we go through Tuesday night and the Wednesday morning, just the clouds persist as, Thursday starts in the 50s, highs up in the 70s, and we're doing great Thursday. Right now, Friday and Saturday look great as well as we, have the tropics that are going. Danielle, way up in the Atlantic, just spinning around. And then there is this big storm, Kay, that's off the Mexico coast. That's becoming a major hurricane. And you know what? It's Tropical Storm Earl becoming a hurricane. Earl is just north of San Juan, Puerto Rico, and Earl's going to become a major Cat 3. But guess what? That's going to happen out in the Atlantic. The one spot that's under the gun, perhaps, is Bermuda. So keep that in mind if you have plans to head there. For now, we're talking about our own tropical downpours. Now, some computer models have been really, really scary with the rainfall amounts. So if you're talking about, 6 inches or more of rain, on top of what's already happened, that's for some of you, that's going to cause a big flooding problem, dangerous flooding problem. 8-day forecast by Wednesday afternoon, it starts to clear out a little bit. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday too. Highs up in the 80 range at the shore overnight, lows 50s and 60s. So getting back to some delightful weather for Thursday through the upcoming weekend. But we've got to get through tonight and Tuesday. So that's why I say you got to tune in to Gil and Alyssa and everyone. First thing, Good Morning Connecticut starts at 4 a.m. for the very latest update, because we're all heading out to work, or at least some are, in school. On Tuesday morning, everybody's going to be out and about, and there could be some flooded roadways to deal with. So be safe, be careful, and we'll keep you updated right here on air and online from Storm Team 8 Weather Center. All right, hope you're feeling well. Bye.